Hi everyone, and welcome to Micah's Crazy Kitchen. Today we are going to make a sausage stuffed pike. This pike was caught on Lake Gladwin. It's way up north from Shelburne, about a 9-hour drive or so, friends. All right, we're going to
stuff. You're glad when you get there.
You're glad when you get there, let me tell you. The most beautiful place on earth. Thank you, Tommy Little, and thank you, Reg Little, Tommy's dad, who got us there. All right. We are going to stuff this with our sausage stuffing from a previous episode, because this sausage stuffing is very versatile. Oh. Remember when we made that big batch of her that you can freeze and take out in portions?
Oh my God, I love that stuffing. And
you tried that earlier.
Northern Pike.
I know, and then this is just going to be a quick little roll up and in the oven episode, folks.
Who filleted that fish?
I think Tommy did.
Good. Tommy, sure. I'm going to be...
There's not a bone in there.
Very upset if I hit a bone. Actually, that is wild northern pike. Oh my. I love northern pike. I love it better than walleye.
I know, me too, actually. It's such a meatier, tasty fish. Hard to explain. It's just so friggin' good.
Oh, it's wonderful. It's white. It's great. It's great meat. But the caveat is you have to take out the bones.
120%, Stevie. 120%.
So you're just rolling that up all nice.
We're going to give her a little stabby stab.
Oh, you're going to peg it.
Let's wrap that right around, hey?
Yes. See, always technicals can happen.
Look
even with the best.
This.
Even with the best.
Oh my goodness. Come together.
Right
now.
Mr. Pike.
Mr. Pike. Then we're sort of going to ball that up like that. Look at this.
Oh, it's like a big old pike meatball.
Into the flour.
Like little roasts.
They are little pike roasts.
Like, I mean, that's 2 pike fillets. That'll feed on my family of 6.
Yes. Well,
when you get the lettuce and the everything else and the salads and the,
would it make it to everybody?
Well, it wouldn't get by me.
You would eat some of it.
Yeah,
you would leave some for the children. Don't forget about the children.
I would tell them.
Don't forget about the children.
Don't like it. You guys wouldn't like this.
Most of the children probably wouldn't, actually. All right, these bad babies are going to go in the oven, let's say about 15 to 20 minutes at what degrees again?
Well, I think 400 to be good, Micah.
400 degrees. All right, folks, we're back. I'm going to slide all this into here. Oh, almost made a goddamn mess. And now we are going to make our tartar sauce to go with the delightful pike that is in the oven. Easy peasy coming together right now. We've got about a cup of mayonnaise, mayo of your choice. I use Hellman's because it's a gorgeous mayonnaise.
What are capers, Mike?
Capers are just like a little tiny pickle, I call it. But it's from the caper tree. I believe. On Caper Mountain.
Little fix them up.
And like that, you have got tartar sauce. Let's see. See if it reminds you of home, as in your Chaudière home, your other old home.
Oh yeah, definitely from the Chaudière days.
Yes.
Definitely.
All right. This pike will be done in a few minutes, and oh my God, this is going to be beautiful, folks. All right, folks, we're going to take that pike of delight out of the oven. I was going to say out of the ocean, but is there ocean pike, Steve? There must be, obviously.
Yeah.
Oh my. Lightly encrusted. We're going to try this baby. Cut into that right down the center.
Oh, it's like opening a present.
Hello, stuffed pike.
Hello, stuffed pike.
Look at this.
That beautiful white meat. Oh my.
A little fresh lemon over top of that. Parsley seems like the choice of the last few episodes. I don't know about you guys, but
I like parsley.
oh yeah. And then a little bit of this tartar sauce. And don't forget about those potatoes. Once again, a few episodes back. That will go with this.
Oh yeah.
And if I could call over, everyone knows Steve, my professional taste tester from the 2020 Summer Olympics, sponsored at Dokis Marina and Resort.
Oh, nice.
Yes. Thank you, Bud and Jess.
Yes, thank you, Bud and Jess. We'd have some of those beautiful potatoes in this.
Wouldn't that be perfect?
Yeah, but I ate them all.
You ate, well, you ate some.
I ate most.
Wow, okay.
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to try without a dip first.
No.
And see, you're going right for the dippity-doo.
Actually, you know what?
Fish and sausage go together.
Who would have thought?
Okay, my friends.
Oh, I don't know if I'm going to get it all up. I might need to use
Here's
this.
to some baked stuffed pike.
Northern pike.
We'll see you again. Don't forget, if you like,
Subscribe.
subscribe. See you again.
Simple. Just like this.
Wow.